Transform your favorite video moments into endlessly shareable looping animations. Creating a GIF from a video is surprisingly simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in under 2 minutes, no fancy software required. First, head to your preferred online GIF maker. There are tons of free options like GIF, Giphy, or mflip. Just search for Create GIF from Video. Next, you'll need to upload the video clip you want to convert. Simply drag and drop your video file into the upload area, or click the button to browse your computer. Once your video is uploaded, you'll have options to trim it. Use these sliders or input fields to select the exact start and end points of the short clip you want to turn into a GIF. Aim for just a few seconds for the best results. Now, you might see some advanced options like frame rate, which controls how smooth the animation is, or quality, which affects the file size. For most social media, a moderate frame rate and good quality works perfectly. When you're happy with your selection and settings, hit that big Create GIF or Convert button. Your GIF will be processed, and then you'll see your brand new animation. You can usually preview it right there. Now, simply download your GIF. Most sites will offer a direct download link or a shareable URL. And there you have it. Your custom GIF is ready to be shared and impress your friends. It's that easy to bring your videos to life in a whole new way.